Let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What's the video about?
It's about a house in Finland. Sami lives in Helsinki in Finland.
Okay, let's watch.
Hi, I'm Sami. I'm from Helsinki in Finland. Helsinki is a beautiful place. It's next to the sea. Lots of people in Helsinki have got boats. Every year, my family and I go on our boat. We go to our holiday house. It's got brown walls. It's got a black roof. What's that on the roof? One chimney? No, 2 chimneys. These are the stairs. You go upstairs to the bedrooms. The kitchen and the living room are downstairs. This is the living room. Can you see the furniture? There's an armchair. There's a sofa with cushions on it. There's a table and there's a fireplace. This is the kitchen. My aunt, uncle and cousins come to our holiday house too. We're having dinner now. I love our holiday house.
I like Sami's holiday house.
Me too. There are chimneys on the roof and there's a fireplace in the living room.
There's a fireplace in my kitchen.
There isn't a fireplace in my house.